What's up, guys? I want to just do a quick video, let you know that we're already at world war. Let me say it again. We're at war with Russia. America-led NATO is at war with Russia. They're just not telling it to you on TV. Congress just hasn't declared it. And more than likely, they're not going to declare it. But if you look at the history books, eventually, depends who wins, they're gonna let you know that the war started many months ago, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, almost a year ago. So we're literally at war. We're sending all kinds of weapons, human resources, bullets, money, everything you can imagine, like if we're at war. And then we're at war at multiple fronts. We got the China situation, we got the Russia situation, okay? We have the economic collapse situation, we have the collapse of the petrodollar situation, okay? We have inflation situation, and you know, so if you look around, I can't explain to you how many people I know that have college degrees and they have one or if not two or three jobs, okay? I'm sorry, not one, two or three jobs, just trying to make it, okay? And these are not homeless people. These are, you know, the middle class that have at least one, two, three jobs, just try to make it, okay? I can't tell you the amount of people that I know, young and old, that have to go back to the workforce just try to make it. I mean, think about it. A watermelon is $10, dude. A watermelon that used to be like $2, $2.50. Now you're gonna pay $10 for a watermelon, okay? And it's crazy. It reminds me of the Romans when they were in the ships. I don't know if you remember, they used to have these little drums that go boom, boom, and the slaves would roll. Well, the beat has increased. What that means is inflation has came in. So if you used to work 40 hours to buy X, Y, and Z, now you got to work 80 hours to buy the same X, Y, and Z. The beat of the tempo for the slaves, which is me and you, has increased. They're in the ship and they're beating the beats faster so we can roll more and harder and longer. Okay, what that means is we can't live our lives because of all those wars, all the money printing, and then all the other stuff that they do that basically causes what we have today, right? Wars at multiple fronts, inflation up the kazoo, unemployment is so high, and you know, they have to go and change the mathematical formulas how they calculate stuff to make it work, you know, from unemployment all the way down to inflation. Everything's rigged. The whole system is rigged. Most people are trading their life energy, right? They're trading their life energy for some paper that they're printing out of the printing press, right? And they're printing it by the millions and trillions of dollars, okay? Not only is the Federal Reserve printing money, but every time someone borrows money from a banking system, money is just materialized out of nowhere. That's inflation itself. So we have multiple levels of inflation. We have the bank creating money out of thin air when everyone borrows money. We have the Federal Reserve printing money like crazy. We have the commodity problems that's about to come up because of the tariffs, because of the bullying. That's going to make everyday stuff going to go skyrocket high. And then you also have the inflation coming from the fuel source, because as gas prices go up, the fuel prices go up, that's going to cost everything else to go up, because everything else is based on transportation. If you want to bring something to the port, well, from the port to Walmart, that's going to cost fuel. And when fuel prices go up, everything prices go up. So we're having inflation, cost of goods going up at multiple directions, from printing of money to creating money from every time when someone gets a loan, to the commodity shortages that's about to come with all the tariffs and all the wars we're about to get into, all the way down to the problems that we're having with our fuel system, where we've gone through our reserves, and OPEC, they're cutting their supply. They're not going to print, you know, they're not going to just make more oil for us to take our fake dollars. Everyone's getting smart, all right? They're starting to realize that this printing press is basically a slavery for every country, including the human beings of America, me and you, okay? Why do I say that? Is because they're printing that. Dude, the monetary system is only here to slave you and me. That's it, okay? And literally, that is it. That's what the monetary system is, okay? When it used to be backed by gold, it was a different story, right? Everyone had to work the same amount to pull the gold out. It requires certain type of energy, resources. But today, just a click of a button, they just print this shit out. You know, they send it overseas. They get everyone's natural resources. And yeah, I mean, it's great for us in America, but look all the pain and suffering we've caused all over the world. All the kids we killed with our precision bombing, what the Big Brother calls collateral damage, okay? So think about that, okay? All those things have consequences. And you know, the hen is, what do they say in America? It came back to the lay his eggs, and the eggs are going to be hard times for Americans. End the story. Not only hard times for Americans, but war. Not only war, but also civil unrest in America. Because guys, literally more and more people that I talk to that have college degrees that should be making it, they gotta have 2 or 3 jobs just to be able to freaking pay their bills, okay? So think about all the baby boomers that they can't even go to work anymore, but they're probably going to be running out of money, because when they were doing their calculations for retirement, they wasn't thinking that the cost of goods going to go up 3 times or 2x or 3x, okay? When back then watermelon was $2.50, now it's $10. So look, think about that, dude, okay? So hard times are just coming to America. We're at war. No one talks about it. I've been saying this since it happened, and eventually you're going to see it, okay? Eventually you're going to see it, because A, we're going to be vomiting because of the nuclear release in America, or shit has already popped off, and then they have no other choice but to come and let you know. Peace, guys.